guys, this is Sonoka. In this channel, I will show you how to make Japanese home cooking. Today's menu is Gyoza. Gyoza is a type of dumpling which has origins in China. But actually, we often eat it a lot at home as we like Japanese food. So let's start. Today's ingredients: 300 grams of minced meat, 1 of Nira, Chinese chip, and cabbage and Gyoza wrapper, soy sauce, sake, salt and pepper, sesame oil, ginger, garlic. Cut into fine strips. I finish it, so turn it and cut like this. So put vegetable in the bowl. So cut Chinese chips like this. It's done. Put it into the bowl. 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of goma oil, salt and pepper, little bit of ginger, 1 clove of garlic and grind it and mix it. So put vegetable and mix it. So I mix it with hands. So prepare the water and then place the wrapper on your palm like this. Put the filling on the center. Draw the circle with water along the edge of wrapper like this. And fold it in half and then press by your thumb and make frill like this. It looks ugly, but it's okay. It's done. Practice makes you better at making. Warm the pan up and add some oil. So organize it. Cook it on medium heat for 1 minute. So actually it was a few minutes later. So add hot water on it and then cover it, steam it for 5 minutes. So it was too much water, so just remove the top and wait for a while. So it's done. Maybe it burned a little bit, but it's okay. Put the plates here like this. It's done. Thank you for watching. It looks ugly though, but recipe is correct. So give it a try. So see you soon.